What if I told you all my recipes can be for the most delicious camping dinner that requires zero refrigeration, zero prep, literally just a single tool, your can opener. I'm MJ, your refrigerator eliminator, and we're making loaded chili cheese potato bowl with nothing but pantry staples and this. Welcome back to Loaded Potato, where we make meals that save you time, money, and precious fridge space. Today, I'm proving that all my recipes aren't just for your kitchen, for saving time, they're for adventures too, and for power outages. We're going to make hearty, cheesy, completely shelf-stable feast right here at the fire pit. No dicing, no thawing, no cooler needed. Just pure, simple, lazy cooking magic. This is all we need to make our chili cheese potato bowl. The magic is in the lineup. Here's the entire ingredient list. 1 can of shelf-stable chili, no beans or beans, you decide. 2 cans of diced potatoes, a half a cup of dried onions, half a cup of freeze-dried cheese, 3/4 cup sour cream powder, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated green onions, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. It's all in this bag. That's it. Your entire grocery store can fit in a backpack. Just throw the dry ingredients into a baggie when you're at home, grab your cans, a can opener, and a pot, and you're off. I've got my cast iron pot preheating in my hot coals, fire that I've been going for a while. The coals are nice and hot and ready to cook. So now all we gotta do is dump in the ingredients. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle? Now we'll add our diced potatoes. Don't drain them, dump the whole thing right in the pot. We're gonna need that extra water in there for when we add our sour cream powder. It'll absorb it and make it nice and creamy. Now we got our bag of yumminess, and all we have to do is dump it right in. Get it all stirred in together. It smells so good. And gosh, this thing is so hot. It was like instant fire. It's like cooking over the sun. I may have made the coals just a wee too hot. This right here, this is victory. Loaded, satisfying meal made with zero modern conveniences, no fridge, no stove, no endless prep. This is the freedom that shelf-stable cooking gives you, in your kitchen or in the middle of nowhere. This little tool right here, this will simplify your life, whether you're a busy parent, a meal prepper, or a weekend adventurer. All my meals will work for you. Now, I've been working hard on these meals to make your life easier, but I need something from you. First, hit that subscribe button. Follow me. Every week I give you another recipe that cuts the hassle and keeps the flavor. Second, get this exact recipe on loadedpotato.org along with all my other shelf-stable recipes. This chili cheese potato bowl is so delicious. The recipe is also in the description below. Loadedpotato.org is your ultimate guide for eliminating your fridge and making your life easier. Now I want to hear from you. What's your dream no fridge scenario? Power outage meal? A cross-country road trip? Tell me in the comments and it might be our next video. Follow me and subscribe to Freedom from your fridge. Till next time.